So I'm going to go through assembly the way I like to put Squat Max together. There's no right or wrong answer, but the first thing I do is I attach the guide rod to the cross piece, and you'll have 4 threaded bolts. It doesn't matter which direction you put this, but it'll go onto the cross piece. And we give you the Allen key. The Allen key comes with it, and you'll just put all 4 bolts on. Thank you. Running. So after I put the guide rod together, you see how it's set up, the bolts are in, this square pad will go there. So the next piece I like to put together is I put the legs on the platform. If I'm by myself, I'll lay the platform like this, and these legs are all going to angle out. So let's go through it. It should slide in. Sometimes the powder coating is a little thick, and you might have to use some elbow grease to get it in there. And then I'm going to put these 4 pins. You just got to make sure the holes are lined up, and the 4 pins will go in there, and that'll hold the legs in. Thank you. Again, if I'm putting this together by myself, after I put the legs on, I'll stand it up on its side, just so I can get the cross piece into the robber's position. And then there's the 2 collarless pins. Same thing, you make sure the holes are lined up, and then you're locked down. Thanks. So after I have the legs on and the cross piece, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the loading arms. And you can do it different ways, but I like the square to be dipped in like this, and I'll show you how it goes in. So I'm going to line that square up so that I can push the handle. Then I'm going to take the handle once this is lined up, and the handle's going to slide right in. And then you get 2 of these collarless pins that you'll see the hole underneath that you can lock it in. Thank you. So once I have the loading arms in, we're almost finished with assembly. The loading pin will just slide over the guide rod, and then as you see, this limiting strap will connect to the loading pin above, and then there's a spot below to connect on the cross piece. And the whole point of the limiting strap is just to keep the guide rod from coming off. And we're pretty much finished, and then obviously you have the seat if you're using the seat. Some people don't use the seat, but it's fully adjustable from 12 to 20 inches down here.